In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Close.com. We're going to walk through the initial account setup process from start to finish so you can get into Close quickly and begin preparing your CRM the right way. This setup is useful whether you're working on your own, joining a sales team, or building a system for a growing business. First, head over to Close.com and click on the Try Free button. This will take you to the sign-up page where you can begin creating your account. Once you're there, enter the email address you want to use for your Close account. Then click Get Started for free. Next, create your password. Make sure you choose a strong password that's difficult to guess. A good best practice is to use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, click Continue. Close will then send a verification email to the address you entered. Open your inbox, find the email from Close, and click the link to verify your email address. This step confirms that the account belongs to you and allows you to continue the setup process securely. After verification, you'll be taken into the onboarding form. Here, enter your organization name, then add your first name, last name, and phone number. Be sure to enter these details carefully, since they help personalize your workspace and support communication settings later on. You'll also see a checkbox during this step. Click the checkbox to confirm the required agreement or acknowledgement shown on the page. Once everything is filled out, click Start Free Trial to continue. Next, Close will prompt you to connect an email provider. In this example, choose Connect with Google. You may also see the option to connect a Microsoft account depending on your setup, but here we're using Google. This connection helps Close work with your email, calendar, contacts, and related communication tools more efficiently. After that, select the Google account you want to connect. Review the connection screen, then click Continue. On the Permissions page, click Select All. This allows Close to access the features needed for syncing and communication, which can make your workflow smoother during setup and daily use. Then click Continue again to confirm those permissions. Finally, return to Close and click Save. At this point, your basic Close account setup is complete. As a helpful next mindset, the recommended setup order after this is to configure your organization, invite users, create pipelines and lead statuses, add custom fields, import leads, connect communication tools, build templates, create smart views, configure workflows, and test your full sales process before using it with live leads. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.